Now for all of you gumbo cookers out there that's using flour and all that other stuff that Big Mama and them didn't use, this is what your roux look like when you get started, okay? You got 6 type of green vegetables in there, and you got 2 kinds of white vegetables in there, okay? This is the way it starts out though. It start out looking like this. You gotta add water to it, see? And as it cooks for about 8 to 9 hours, you'll see what color it looks as I go on, okay? Alrighty, this is the start. Take a good look now. Take a good look, take a good look. This is what roux start with. This is what you start with right here, okay? Okay, green vegetables, different types of green vegetables and 2 white vegetables, about 7 in all. Gumbo cookers out there, I showed you the beginning of my roux. That was nothing but vegetables, right? No can, no jars, you know, no can, no jars, no, none of that, just plain green vegetables, green vegetables, and now they're cooking. See how the color changed? See how green it was at first? But see, you have to let your roux cook for hours. It's been cooking for a couple of hours now. It's gonna cook for about 6-7 more hours, this roux. See, it's gonna be real roux. It ain't gonna be no can and jar, baby girl. No, look at that. So this is part 2 of making gumbo. First thing you gotta do is make sure your roux is nothing but vegetables and healthy. Okay? All right. Part 3. Part 3 of Toussaint cooking gumbo. Part 3. This is part 3. I need you to look at this. I need you to look at this roux. That's what I need you to do. I need you to look at the roux. See how it changing colors. See it, can you? Okay, I gotta put it over here. Okay, there we go. Now you see it. Now you see it. See the color changing, huh? That's like and guess what? Guess what? It's only vegetables. So the roux is healthy because it's nothing but vegetables, right? Green stuff, greeny green stuff. No flour. No. Look at that. See that? See that roux? See that? Vegetables. That's all it is. Well, this is part 3. Next part 4, I'm gonna put in the smoked sausage, and it's gonna cook about 4.5-5 more hours. Gotta make sure my roux, see, make sure my roux is doing what it's supposed to do. See, it started green, right? Now it's changing. This is Donald R.A. Toussaint Sr. Toussaint, that's Creole. That's Creole, okay? That's Creole. Toussaint is Creole, and we cook gumbo. You understand? The right way. See, look at that. Look at that. See that? See how it's turning? See how it turned colors? It started out dark green, the same color the vegetables, didn't it? But look at it now. Look at it now, huh? Ain't no flour in it, baby. So this is take 4. Now it's time for this. Boom, 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 boom. Sausage. Boom. Take 4. I think this take 5. Take 4 or 5. I put in my smoked sausage. See? This sausage there. See? Still cooking. See, that's real gumbo, Ricky Smiley. See, that's real gumbo. See, I'm making gumbo. I'm making it. Ain't no cans and jars. be on this radio show talking about this and that. But this is how you make gumbo. See that? It's turning. It's turning to be what I want it to be, and that is gumbo. Okay. I also put in a few of the baby shrimp. You know, the little bitty shrimp. Little bitty shrimp. I got a few of them little bitty shrimp in there. You understand? And you know, Mama always put some of them little small shrimp in there too. See right there, like that right there. Little small shrimp in there. Put them in there for let them cook with the smoked sausage. But now it's time for my crawfish tails. Yeah, that's right. Y'all don't do that no more, do you? Huh? And then see, I'm letting it cook though. See, I'm letting it cook. See, put my crawfish tails in there. Got my smoked sausage in there. And I got my tiny shrimp. Act 5 coming up soon. Add more. Gumbo gonna be ready in about 4 more hours. Look at that. From greeny green to turning the way it's supposed to turn, being gumbo. Guess what? That's roux. Okay? All the other stuff they talking about, canning jars and stuff. And there ain't no chicken in there either. You don't put chicken in gumbo. It's just a typo, just a little snippet after I put my sausage and a little my gumbo in there, and a little shrimp in there, and my crawfish tails. So it's all coming together. Guess what? You don't see no flour there. And I ain't put all my stuff in yet now. I ain't put my gumbo in yet. I'm sorry, my shrimp, my big, shrimp and some other stuff, and crab and stuff. Put that in yet. Because they got to cook for about 2 more hours. See, it's turning the color the way gumbo's supposed to be. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Hey, it's Toussaint. Chef Toussaint. How about that? Hey, here we go. It's coming into its own. Green are getting dark, isn't it? By itself. By itself. Got a few shrimp in there. Bitty shrimp. Got some crawfish in there. Some sausage right now. That's it. Let it cook. See, my roux is still making itself. See that? See, that's roux. Vegetables. I'm gonna tell you what it is after I finish. You can't cook it like I can. No way. Well, gumbo is finished. Gumbo is finished. Gumbo is finished. It has everything you're supposed to have in it. Look at that. That's it. And the crab. Look at that. Let the crab look good right there. Oh yeah. See that? Nothing but artificial crap in them jars and cans, and I make this for you in person too. And you can watch me make it, cause it's all natural. No cans and jars, and this is a Toussaint Louisiana gumbo. This is okay. So I'm gonna take it to Mississippi and let them know the gumbo ain't red. Chicken in it. All right, finished. It's finished. Look at that, y'all. Took a while, right? But look at that. Look at that. Crawfish, small shrimp, little sausage, you know. Look at that. But that roux is this stuff right there. See that?